A business plan is a document that outlines the goals, strategies, and financial projections of a business. It is a critical tool for planning and securing funding, as well as for tracking progress and making adjustments as needed. Here are some steps you can follow to write a business plan. 1. Define your business. Start by clearly defining your business, including what you offer, who your target customers are, and what sets your business apart from others in the market. 2. Conduct market research. Research your market to understand your target customers and competitors. Look at factors like market size, demand for your products or services, and pricing. 3. Create a budget. Develop a financial plan for your business, including projected revenues, expenses, and profits. Be sure to include details on how you'll generate income and what you'll need to invest in to get your business off the ground. 4. Develop a marketing plan. Outline your marketing strategy, including how you'll reach your target customers and what marketing channels you'll use. 5. Create a roadmap. Outline the steps you'll take to reach your business goals, including key milestones and timelines. 6. Seek feedback. Consider getting feedback on your business plan from trusted advisors, mentors, or potential customers to ensure it is viable and well-crafted. When writing your business plan, be sure to include an executive summary, company overview, market analysis, marketing and sales strategy, financial projections, and a summary of any risks or challenges your business may face. Keep in mind that your business plan is a living document that should be reviewed and updated regularly. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more financial videos.